Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how do we connect our Stripe account with Artha. So let's just get into it. So first we will go to manage portal on our dashboard. Then we will go to app center option. And here as you can see there is a different section of payment integration. Here we have given three different types of payment gateways. First is Stripe, second is Razorpay and third is PayPal. For this video we are going to see how do you connect Stripe with Artha job board. So we'll just click on connect over here and continue. As you can see in this window, there are four different types of URL given to us. So we have to create an endpoint secret. Along with that, we will need secret key and publishable key. So first is secret key. So you will go to your dashboard and then you will go to developers account on Stripe. Here, as you can see, there are different sections given over here. For first, you have to go to API key. In API keys, on the second section, you will see standard keys, and here you can create a new secret key if you don't have. The thing is that the secret keys can be only visible once or be copied once, they cannot be reused. So if you already have one and it is not revealed, you can either copy it or you have to create a new secret key. So we'll just click on add a secret key and then we will see that this is our own integration. So we'll click over here and then we will create a secret key. Now you will be needing verification for the same. So we'll just click on send verification and then we will open the Gmail account where the Stripe account has been added. As you can see, we have received the Stripe verification link. So we'll just click on verify your identity. Once the email is verified, you can return to the previous window. Once verification is done, you will be needing a 6-digit authenticator password, which you will be receiving from your phone. So we'll just have to retract that and add it on the platform. Once that is done, you will be able to create a new secret key. Now you have to name it. So you can name it as per your job board. So I'll just write here Artha job. Once this is done, you just have to click on create. As you can see, our new API key has been created. So we'll just copy it and we will save it somewhere. So we'll just add it over here for the time being. Next, we will go to the platform again and then we will see what is the next thing that we need. The next thing is endpoint secret. So for this, what we have to do is we have to add these 4 webhooks and then we have to take one of the secret and add it over here. So we'll go to the dashboard of Stripe again. We'll close this one. And then we will go to developer section again. Over here, we will go to webhooks. Look, as you can see, this is how the webhook will look. We will need these events. After clicking on add a destination, we will need certain events that we want to record. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to our documentation, which we have prepared. The link is given in the description. And then you just have to select the event for each of the link that is provided. So first one is webhook for URL success. What we will do is we will copy the event from here and then we will go to Stripe dashboard and paste it over here. Once this is done, we will click on the event that we want and click on continue. Now what we have to do it over here is we have to add a webhook endpoint. So for that, we will click on continue and here you have to enter your URL. So the endpoint URL, you can get it from the dashboard. Along with that, you can get it from the document itself. We will go to the dashboard, copy the webhook URL for success, go to Stripe account and paste it over here. Once done, we will just click on create destination. As you can see, this has been added successfully. Now, similarly, what we have to do is we have to add these 3 other webhook URLs. As you can see, the second one is also added successfully. From the document, you will get the event that you have to copy and then paste it over here. So we'll receive, you just have to select the event from here and then click on continue. And then you have to add the endpoint URL for renewal again. So we'll just copy it and paste it over here and create the webhook. Now, as the second one is also added, we will go to the webhook section again and add the third one. From the document, you have to select the event, copy it and select it from here. Click on continue and then go to the dashboard again and copy the URL for webhook and then paste it on the endpoint URL again and click on create destination. So this is how first you have to create all 4 webhook endpoint destinations. We'll name it endpoint webhook. Once this is done, you have to go to the Stripe account again, and then you have to go to developers account and click on APIs key section. Now here you will see that the publishable key is already there under the standard key section. You just have to click over here and it will be copied. Then you go to the document again and paste it over here. Now once you have all these 3 information, what you have to do is you have to go to the dashboard and add the information as per the requirements. So for example, here it is written secret ID or key. So we'll just go to the document, copy the secret key and then paste it over here. Next is endpoint secret. So we already have our endpoint webhook secret. So we'll just copy it and paste it over here. Similarly for the publishable key, we'll copy the publishable key and paste it over here. Once this is all done, you just have to click on connect. As you can see, our Stripe account is successfully connected. So now what we are going to do is we are going to impersonate an employer and try and purchase a license. So we will know how the whole Stripe journey works. So we'll just open my employer account, click on impersonate and then go to my license. Once I'm here, I will click on change license. As you can see, I've already created a dummy license where I can pay and check. So I'll just click on buy employer license, confirm and switch the plan. I already have my data of card here. So I'll just click over here and click on make payment. As soon as I will approve the payment, you will see the page over here will change and it will show that the payment is successfully done. So we have been assigned the new plan that we have. So this is how easily you can integrate Artha with Stripe and you can take your payments seamlessly. Thank you.